Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a major workaround for Depop dropshipping, specifically how to unlock custom shipping methods. If your account is currently set up in the US, you have probably noticed that the platform forces you to use their standard USPS labels. That restriction is expensive and effectively ruins the dropshipping model since it stops you from handling fulfillment on your own terms. To get this fixed, the first thing you need to do is open up your account preferences. If you are browsing on a computer, just head over to the main homepage and click on your settings in the top right corner. For those of you using the mobile app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and select the option to edit your profile. Scroll down until you find your location details. Right now, your region is going to be locked to the United States, which is the exact reason why you are stuck with their mandatory shipping labels. The workaround for this is incredibly straightforward. All you have to do is tap on your current region and switch your country setting to either Australia or the United Kingdom. Once you have made that switch, make sure to hit save. Now, whenever you navigate back to the product you are trying to fulfill, you will see a brand new alternative shipping choice right there on your screen. Selecting that new option lets you send out orders completely independently, meaning you never have to print another official Depop label again. After your item goes out, you just manually update the order status to shipped. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more tutorials.